Guys, and this is part 2. I just wake up. Sorry for that. My baby is sleeping because it's the middle of the night and I've not just wake up. Come on. I'm awake. Let's get people. Cool people. This white girl right here. Let's go. Let's bring it to my house. Let's check out what it is. Let's type a code. Let's type what we should type. Sorry for the noisy rain. We're gonna type is, I don't know. Maybe next time. If you got this and got this, sorry for that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Sorry for the ugliness. Let's get a new couch. Let's put it right here. The furniture, get away. We're gonna clean the house today, guys. If you appreciate my videos, thank you. And this is this cleaning house time. Where's the mom? So noisy, guys. It's rainy today. I'm going to sleep. And so, what is this? I don't know what this is. And let's clean the house, guys. Let's record it. Sorry for that noise. Let's clean, guys. Sorry for that. Tagalog ako, guys, ha. Tagalog. And let's get the, sorry for the noise. Let's get the broom. I'm really soaked. Good night, it. Let's get this. Let's go home. Let's go home and clean it. Sissy, come down here. Okay, Mom. Let's put my iPad right here. Going to remove my shoes, my teddy, my shoes, not the socks, and my earrings. Let's wear my home clothes. Where's my home clothes? Just wear this. Or I have no short. Guys, I'm Tagalog. This is the skirt. We have no this skirt. Beautiful. What? Mom? Let's go clean the house. Sure. Let's put it here. Or we cannot put it outside. Oh. And let's get the delivery girl. Oh, not you. This delivery girl. Don't mind that. No, don't mind that. That's just my sister, my mom. My God, I love this furniture. I love fucking Avatar World. Don't mind that. It's just interesting. Oh no, it's noisy, guys. Oh no. Papa. And sorry for the noise, it's so loudy. Sorry for that. Where is it? Sorry for that. Okay. Let's go, guys. And this is here. for that. Let's just get furniture. Don't interested with that. Don't. Huwag mo na pansinin, guys. And, okay, done. Guys, bye. It's rainy. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.